Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of forces and how they work together to make things move or stay still. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira. Have you ever wondered why things fall to the ground when you drop them?
I think it's because of gravity.
Exactly. Gravity is a force that pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. But did you know there are other forces at play too?
Really? What other forces?
Well, when you ride a bicycle, for example, there are several forces acting on you. Can you guess what they might be?
Maybe the wind pushing against me?
Yes, that's called air resistance. It tries to slow you down. And there's also friction between the tires and the road. Can you think of a force that helps you move forward?
Oh, when I pedal, I push the bike forward.
That's right. That's called thrust, an applied force. Now let's think about a paper airplane. What happens when you throw it into the air?
It flies for a bit, then falls down.
Exactly. While it's flying, gravity is pulling it down, and air resistance is slowing it. But your throw gives it thrust to move forward. What do you think we could do to make it stay in the air longer?
Maybe make it lighter or change its shape?
Great ideas. Scientists often experiment with shapes and materials to improve how things fly. Now, let's try making a paper airplane and see these forces in action.
Okay, I can't wait to see how it flies.
While your airplane is at rest, gravity and the normal force from the table are acting on it. When you throw it, you create thrust. Let's see what happens when you launch it.
Wow, it flew further than I thought.
That's wonderful. Now, why do you think it eventually came down?
Because gravity pulled it down.
Exactly, and air resistance helps slow it down. If we wanted it to fly longer, we could adjust its wings or throw it with more force. Just like real aeroplanes use engines and wings to stay up.
I see. So aeroplanes use these forces to fly high and far.
That's right. And now, can you summarize what we've learned about forces today?
Sure, we learned about gravity, air resistance, thrust, and friction. They all work together to make things move or stop.
Fantastic. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious. And remember, there's always more to discover in science.